chemicals and petrochemicals sector plays a crucial role in achieving Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi's vision for Make in India. This vision aims to position India as a global hub for chemicals, petrochemicals and related technology development. To further this vision, India Chem 2024 is being organized from 17th to 19th October 2024 at Bombay Exhibition Centre, Mumbai, to showcase advancements and opportunities within the industry, strengthening and positioning India as a global leader in the chemicals and petrochemicals sector. Globally, India is the 6th largest producer of chemicals in the world and the 4th largest producer of agrochemicals sector. India's chemical industry, currently valued at around $220 billion, is expected to touch $300 billion by 2025 and reach the $1 trillion mark by 2040. The largest event of chemicals and petrochemical industry in India, in its 13th edition, India Chem 2024, will be jointly organized by the Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals, Government of India and FICCI, Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, from 17th to 19th October 2024 at Bombay Exhibition Centre, Mumbai, with the theme Advantage Bharat, Indian Chemicals and Petrochemicals Paving the Future.
Chemical industry will continue to play a leading role as an enabler for sustainability.
The state plays a significant role in growth of Indian chemical and petrochemical industry.
भारत में निवेश करने से हमको बहुत बड़ा इंडस्ट्री का ग्रोथ के लिए खुद को लाभ हो जाएगा।
हम इंडस्ट्रीज को हर संभव मदद करके इंडस्ट्रीज देश में कैसे आगे बढ़े, उसका इश्यू कैसे रिजॉल्व हो, ताकि देश में निवेश बढ़े, इन्वेस्टमेंट बढ़े।
This mega event will showcase the government's policy for sustainable growth in the sector and provides a platform for national and international players to interact, exchange knowledge and highlight the investment opportunities, especially in petroleum, chemical and petrochemical investment regions, PCPIRs, and focus on the Make in India initiative for making the country Atmanirbhar in sector. Highlights of India Chem 2024. Expecting international participation from USA, Japan, Germany, Korea, Russia, Iran, Turkey, Vietnam and many more countries. Expecting participation of PCPIR states Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha. Buyers delegation from USA, CIS, West Europe, Middle East and Southeast Asian countries. Participation from over 15,000 business visitors from India and abroad. Participation from over 150 Indian and international exhibitors. Buyer-seller meet will be organized for domestic and international investors and other stakeholders. More than 30 top CEOs from India and abroad to hold discussions at the Global CEOs Forum. Conclave on Indian chemicals and petrochemicals, Argo Chemicals Industry, Plant Machinery, Pumps and Valves, Chemicals and Petrochemicals Forums of India USA, India EU and India East Asia. Specialty chemicals and dye stuff industries will be organized. Chemicals and Petrochemicals Awards will be presented to recognize individuals and companies for their contribution. We are excited to invite you to the 13th edition of India Chem, taking place from 17th to 19th October 2024 at Bombay Exhibition Centre, Mumbai. See you there. Namaste.